Vanakkam, welcome to A4E channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please do subscribe the channel. Everyone are filing income tax returns year on year using the Form 16 provided by the employer. But many of us do not know why we are filing the income tax returns, what are the benefits of income tax returns, and within which date we need to file the income tax returns. I have posted a video on new income tax slab financial year 2020 to 2021, assessment year 2021 to 2022 in my channel. Please find the link in the description box if you need to know about new income tax slab. In this video, we are going to see about income tax returns financial year 2019 to 2020, assessment year 2020 to 2021. I am going to give more clarity on what is ITR, what are the types of ITR forms available, which ITR form needs to be selected for which type of income, and lastly we can see what are the major date changes for this particular assessment year. First, we can see what is ITR. In a financial year, those who earn income should pay tax to the tax department. Income tax returns is a form which holds the information about the taxpayer's income and the amount deducted in the investments, the balance taxable amount for which the taxpayer is going to pay the tax to the government. The purpose of income tax returns filing form is which holds the information about your income and also the amount which you have paid as a tax to the income tax department, which will benefit you in two ways. The first thing is when you are trying to avail any kind of loans, and the second thing is when you try to apply for any travel visa abroad. There are 7 types of ITR forms. ITR 1, ITR 2 till ITR 7. Which type of ITR form needs to be selected depends on 3 factors. First thing, source of income. Second thing, amount of income earned. Third thing, in which category they fall under. For example, salaried or self-employed or corporate. By these factors, we choose the right ITR forms and we need to file the income tax returns. Lastly, we can see about the major date extensions. There are 4 date extensions announced by the government due to the current situation. First thing is the date when the employer should release the Form 16 or TDS certificate is extended till 30th of June 2020. The second thing is normally the investments or the amount which we need to show in the deductions in the financial year should be invested before the last date of the financial year, that is 31st March 2020. But due to this current situation, the date is extended till 30th of June 2020. Those who are thinking that they have missed their investments for the last financial year has a good opportunity again till 30th of June 2020 to show their investments for their income tax returns. Third thing, generally the ITR forms are released by the income tax department in the January month. But due to this changes in the date extensions for the investment plans, it is modified and revised, and now it is available in the income tax portal. Finally, the most important date to file the income tax returns, that is usually for a financial year it is 30th of July 2020. But due to this current changes for the extensions of the date for the investment plans, the ITR filing date is extended till 30th of November 2020. So don't forget to file your income tax returns before 30th of November 2020. So all these date extensions are applicable for this current financial year only. The new income tax slab which is released by the government is applicable only for the financial year 2020 to 2021, that is assessment year 2021 to 2022. So for this particular assessment year, that is assessment year 2020 to 2021, we need to follow the old income tax slab whichever we followed till now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you find it useful, please share this video. If it is informative, subscribe the channel. Vanakkam.